Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to solve a Skewb. So the first step of making a Skewb is to build a white first layer. So to make this first layer, we will just attach corners like this into the first layer. Then we will see this color over here which is red. Then we will take another white and red corner and insert it into the first layer. So next we will just do the same. Here it is blue, then we will insert the white blue corner, then here orange, then we will insert the white orange green corner. So there are two ways you can insert the corner. When it is here, we will insert it like this, and it can also be here, then we will insert it like this. So here is a case where we will insert it like this, but it will not be solved. Then we will do is we will change its orientation like this, then insert it, and then restore this white corner. So here is another case where we will insert it like this, but it will not get solved. Then we will change the orientation like this, insert it into the first layer, and restore the white corner. So the last case that can occur is the white corner is on the top. Then we will just do like this. Then we can insert it the normal way. After the first layer, we will solve the yellow center into the top. So for this, we will hold the yellow center in front and do this R prime, L, R, L prime, which will get the yellow center to the top. So after solving the yellow center, we will solve rest of the centers. So first case that can occur is that one center is solved and here the corner and the centers are opposite. So we will hold that in front and do R prime, L, R, L prime, rotate twice, R prime, L, R, L prime, which will solve all of the centers. So the second case that can occur after solving the yellow center is no other center is solved, and these two need to swap and these two need to swap. So we will just do that algorithm once again. Then we will get this case which we solved earlier. The last case that can occur after solving the yellow center is again no other centers are solved, and this time opposite needs to swap. So for this we will do that algorithm again, which will give us that case. So we will solve it like earlier. So after solving all of the centers, two cases can occur. First is that these two headlights are here and these two point in opposite. So we will hold it like this and do that algorithm again and again, which will solve the skew. So the second case that can occur is two corners are solved in top and these two face in this direction. So we will do that algorithm twice, then we will get the earlier case. So this was the tutorial on how to solve a cube. I hope you liked this video. If you are new, please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.